that log that washed up here. Kind of like purple and fuchsia sky going on out there tonight. Yeah, this wasn't here yesterday. I just got home and I decided to come out here and take a walk down the home beach, and I don't know where that came from. That kind of washed its way in. A lot of zebra mussels in. Another piece of a post or something washed up. It's another chunk of something. But I'll just share with you a little bit. Yeah, to get back in the house. I'm getting eaten alive by the mosquitoes out here, so hope you all are having a great night. As always, much love from here in Michigan.